Good morning, this is Sakshi Nair, and here are my two teammates Lokesh Reddy and Ujala Patil. We'll be giving a demo video on how a project named Employee Tracker and Analytics System works. Now, my teammate Ujala will be talking about the purpose of a project.
So this website was developed to simplify employee data management and to provide analytics to human resources teams. It helps companies keep track of their employees, to understand the number of employees in each department, or to help visualize the data, and also helps us visualize based on quarter of the year.
Good morning, Professor. I'm Lokesh, and now I'm gonna explain about how our code works. So basically, we have kept everything in a folder. We have used the Jupyter notebook to run it locally, and we have also used the Flask web application to run the code locally. So here is like where our codes are placed, where the templates have all the HTML files, and these are like the graphs where we have directly integrated it with the Google Charts. And now when we go to the Flask code, which is the main code to run, here we can see the main Flask code to run, and when we run it locally, we'll be getting a website link and it'll directly be taken to the website. So before that, let me just tell you how our data set works. So this is our data set where you can see the first name, marital status, gender, employee, grade, and designation, and all. So basically, first we kept our data set in pgadmin because it will be easy for us to when we add it in the website, it'll be easy for us to see it dynamically as it changes here itself. So let my friend Sakshi explain how the website works now.
So, this is the main page where we can see two logging admin and user. Now, let's get started with the admin page. I'll be logged in as Amy Norton, and which directs us to our home page. As an admin, we can see the visualization of a database or even add a new profile. So, let's go with the gender ratio. Here we can see the proportion of male employees to the female employees. Here we can see there are 9,620 females working and 388 males working. We can see the data quarterly wise, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. And from here we can direct to any other visualization such as marital status, and also we can go directly back to our home page.
So now we'll be adding a profile. So let me just choose a name with three A's so that it's easy to find later. Let's keep him single. Let's keep the gender male. We'll make him a consultant, grade 1, HR executive, and HR. So now that we've added a profile, we get a prompt saying that profile added successfully. If we go to the gender ratio graph, we see that this has been updated dynamically as the male has now become 389 from 388. If we go to the PG admin, we can also, um, once the code is run, we can also find his name right here. Out of he is a single male and a consultant.
So now, as you also have an admin can show an admin can add the profiles. Now let me log out from this admin page. You can now there will be also a user page where let's assume a user is Dwayne Moreno, and when we submit it here, as you see, the user doesn't have an access to the page where they can add profiles. They can only see the graphs like gender ratio and marital status and all, and this is how it will help them to analyze for the users and also for the admins. So basically this is our entire project. Thank you.